Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jaime here with Olguin Marketing Group. I'm on my phone and I'm making a video to show you the Google My Business app, show you all the features it has to offer, how to manage it, how to stay up to date, how to do postings, how to add photos, how to manage your reviews, and then the how to manage the Google My Business website on your phone as well. It's a pretty awesome feature that you can actually do all your editing on your phone for your website. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So this is a Android phone. So for all Android users, this is going to be very helpful. For iPhone, just follow along. I'm sure it's going to be very similar. So you should be able to follow along. I will try to get a hold of a iPhone to make a video of that as well. But for now, Android users, please follow along. Just the two apps you're going to need is the Gmail app, so for your to get your emails and your contact forms, and then also the Google My Business app to manage your Google My Business. Okay. So once you have those two, once you hit Google My Business, it's basically gonna ask you to log into your Gmail account, whatever you set up to host your Google My Business. Once you do that, it'll take you to your homepage. That's gonna look like this, okay? And then just to go over this real quick, you're gonna see how much traffic your Google My Business listing is getting on the very top. You can view the reporting for that. It'll show you all the reports of the information from your website for your Google My Business. I'm sorry. You could do COVID updates right here as well. 1 second. You can do COVID updates as well. You can add photos right here where it says post to your business profile. That's one section. Those are going to be multiple areas where you can do the same thing. So that's one area where you can post photos. On offers, you can do a new offer. So you have a special offer you're doing for your business. An event, that's where you can do an event. Share your profile. This is how you can share your profile to get reviews to your Google My Business listing. Send it as a text or get a copy of it and send it as an email. You can manage your reviews right here. So if I click on manage reviews, as you can see, it takes us to this place right here where, see at the very bottom where it says customers, I'm pushing it. That's where you can manage your reviews. If I could click on home button, it's the same place right here. But now that we've gone through all the home, go ahead and hit next to customers. And again, we're back here to reviews. This is where you can manage your messages that you get directly from Google My Business. So if your business has messaging turned on, which I highly recommend you do, how that would look like is, again, let's say I'm a customer. I hit, Google, look for pole cleaning. I'm searching, and I find, obviously this business, Chula Vista Pole Cleaners, and they have messaging turned on right there. As you can see, if I press that, I'm doing this as a client. I can send this person a message, and as a business owner, you'll get a notification from Google on your phone, and this is how you'll respond through here. Okay. Calls, as you can see next to messaging is calls. If you don't have call tracking turned on your phone, or if you don't have a tracking system for your business line, if you get like calls directly to your cell phone, I highly recommend you turn this on. This is a way to track all your business calls coming in from Google. I have a tracking phone number for my business line, so I don't need that service, but I highly recommend you do that. So now we're at the bottom. We went through customers. Now let's go to profile. So this is what your Google My Business profile looks like. Okay. So this is where you can add photos. If you hit photos, another section, like I said, where you can add photos. You can do your postings. Okay. So if you want to do a post about your business, again, Google's trying to make this like a social media platform. So I suggest you do it as such and treat it as such and post to it regularly. Okay. So I'm doing a case study right now where I'm going to start posting to this every single day, and I'm going to see if it increases my ranking for my website. Okay. So you'll see that in my videos as well. But for now, let's go into the next section, which is the website, how I access that. Just go back to the bottom. So you see next to profile, you hit more and you'll see website. So when you click website, this is going to take you to your website. This is where you can literally do all your editing to your website live. Okay, so if you want to edit your header photo, you can go ahead and do that by adding a different photo. If you want to edit the get quote button, just click on it and you can change it to a call now or contact us, whatever you want to do. And then the different places of the website where it has the description and header and the body of the description, all that stuff can be changed as well, all from your phone. So and again, the reason why I say, treat this like a social media and post to it daily is because all that content that you're posting, those posts, they're coming right here on your website. So as you can see here, these are those posts I was talking about, which is, learn more, Hey Chula Vista. It even says right here, updates. It goes under updates, okay? So this is all content that's going to your website. And if you, know anything about ranking, Google loves content, right? So they're going to promote websites that, have a lot of content. So I'm going to start doing that, promoting a lot of content about pool cleaning and pool service, and just give, good information about this, about even to pool owners who kind of do it themselves, pool cleaning themselves. That's the whole purpose of this. And I'm going to see if it increases the ranking, okay? Another thing I wanted to cover was this get a quote. So when people, again, so let's take this as the consumer point of view. If I'm looking for a pool cleaner, I find this business, I click their website this time. I'm not going to give them a call yet. I'm going to check them out first. And then, okay, I check them out. Boom, they're saying cool. They want to get a quote. This is what they'll see. They'll look like. They'll hit, I'm going to put in my wife's information so you'll see. Looking for pool cleaning. So, and then when I hit submit, this person obviously, they're looking for pool cleaning. They did their submit. They might, kind of go back out, check out somebody else, right? Do all that cool stuff, whatever the case may be. As a business owner, you should be getting an email notification shortly. As you see, I just received. It's 12 p.m. And here's what it looks like. It has the person's name, her phone number, her email, what she's looking for, okay? So, pretty quick, pretty awesome. So those are the two different things you want to keep a lookout, is 3 different ways you're going to receive your emails and your notifications. So that's why you want to have those 2 apps on your phone, okay? So again, if you have any questions about this, definitely contact me. More than happy to help you out. This is 100% of a free service. It's just going to take your time and effort to either learn it or hire someone like me to do it for you. So whatever the case may be. So if you need help, contact me. Be more than happy to help you guys out. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.